Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make nachos overload. First, let's get everything ready. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, brown 1 pound of ground beef or chicken in a skillet, seasoning it to your taste. While that cooks, gather your favorite tortilla chips, shredded cheese, and any other toppings you love, like diced tomatoes or sliced jalapenos. This easy prep ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build those delicious layers for maximum flavor. On a large baking sheet, spread out a generous single layer of your tortilla chips. Next, sprinkle about half of your seasoned ground meat evenly over the chips, followed by a good amount of shredded cheese. Repeat this process with a second layer of chips, the remaining meat, and the rest of the cheese. This layering technique ensures every bite is packed with goodness. It's time to bake our nachos to golden perfection. Place your loaded baking sheet into the preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Let them bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly, and the chips are slightly crisped. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Once they are out, you're ready for the final, fresh additions that truly make them overload. For the ultimate overload experience, immediately after baking, pile on your favorite fresh toppings. Think vibrant salsa, creamy guacamole, and a generous dollop of sour cream. You can also add sliced green onions, fresh cilantro, or extra jalapenos for a kick. Serve these incredible nachos right away while they're warm and the cheese is perfectly gooey. Get ready to enjoy your easy, homemade nachos overload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.